So in this video we are going to create this guy here, which is uh, lying there. So this is gonna be approximately 45 centimeters by 60 centimeters. And yeah, let's get started. So let's start with a box and create a box here. This is gonna be 45 or maybe 40 by 60, 65 actually. And height, let's make it approximately 8 inches, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Looks good to me. And I move it upward. So I believe 8 is a little too much. Let's make it 6 inches actually. Yeah, so I moved it on the top here, isolated it so I can see what's going on. I pressed F3 for the shaded view. Once again, if you're not familiar with this, just go visit my other free courses and you will see what's going on. Okay, I will select the edge and press connect. Let's make 2 connects here and give a little gap, not much but a very little. Okay, and now let's select these guys here, connect again, and now give a little more gap so we get the square on the corners, so they look equal both sides. All right, now select this guy here and press connect again and reduce it a bit. Let's say maybe this much is more than enough. And now if we apply turbo smooth on this box, we get a nice looking shape here. Okay, this sounds good. And now you can see I have applied only one iteration on the turbo smooth. If we apply 2, you can see it gets more smooth, but I don't really want it at this moment. Why? Because I want to apply a shell modifier, sorry, not bend. I want to apply shell modifier and press F4 to see what's going on. F4 is the toggle between the edge view, and let's say 1.5, and the segments make it 2. Okay, and now we will apply one more turbo smooth to look perfectly smooth with 2 iterations. Okay, so let's see what we have and what we wanted. Yeah, we have it. We have it. Okay, now we move it a little bit from the top. We may move it a little bit to this side, and for the faucet I will like to take it from 3D Sky, or from I will be placing actually the models so you can simply grab those. I'm sorry. Alright, now the next part is I'm going to make some of this guy here. So let's come to the top view. The brush holder, I will maybe let's create I'm just thinking for, there are multiple ways. I'm thinking a beginner friendly way. So yeah, okay, let's do easy way. So I'm going to take a rectangle and let's make, okay, and now let's make it 10 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Okay, and right click, convert to editable subline, come to the modifier, select the vertices and fillet them. Boom. And select all the vertices and increase the weld distance to 1 and weld them. Okay, Now you really don't have to do something, but just move it on the countertop where we actually want it to be placed. And let's do one more thing, just copy it as a copy, okay? And let's extrude it. Let's say 6 inches. 6 inches is too much, let's make it 3 inches. Yeah. And we can isolate both of these rectangles. So you can see we have a rectangle here which we copied earlier, and we have a rectangle up there which we just extruded. I will apply edit poly modifier on the top one, not on the both, only on the top one, and I will select inset and I will move it down with the help of shift move. If you don't want to move it, you simply extrude minus. Okay, next step is I will, in the top view, I will draw a rectangle maybe, or let's go with the cylinder, and I can draw this cylinder to the center. Okay, that's too big cylinder, oh my god. Okay, let's make it 1 and let's make it 3 inches. Let's make it minus 3 inches, and let's make this guy 0.2, 0.1, 0.2 maybe, or 0.15. Alright, so yeah, next step is I am going to move the rectangle which I copied to up, and I am going to, play smart. And if you are using 2024 3ds Max, that is gonna be a very good, but it will make your life a lot easier actually, So I am going to apply array modifier, and in array distribution I'm going to select subline, and it will say pick subline. I will click on the subline I copied, and boom. Now I have to just add the numbers. I want 50, or let's say just click on the flip, and okay, no, it should flip, but let's say uh, maybe 100 or 150. I believe 150 would be good, but we can increase to 200. Not 200, 160. Yeah, they are fine. 160, they are fine. And now I think there will be any option for the rotation. Variation axle, let's make it 90, minus 90, 180. Yeah, 180 works. Oh yeah, yeah. So we have brush holder ready, which is very cool now, and I can simply like group it and change the color. Perfect. We will apply the material later, you don't have to worry about it. But let's select this guy, and I am going to group it, and I will call it brush holder. Okay, one more thing, I'm going to group open. I just opened the group which we just created, and I am going to copy this rectangle with the help of shift. Make it copy, not instance. Okay, and here let's bring these two guys closer. Okay, no. Hold on. What's going on, boy? Yeah, maybe like this much, okay? So we will do the same practice again. Like we will make a copy of it. Okay. And we will extrude one of them, maybe the bottom one. We will extrude it. Okay, cool. Apply edit poly. Select the face, press inset, a small amount, extrude minus, okay, downward, press OK, and let's maybe copy this guy here, copy it. Okay, where did that dude go? I don't know, but let's turn off the array and I will copy it once again, this circle only. I will copy it and come back here and turn on the array. Yeah, we have our dude here, which we copied. I'm deleting this array. Maybe you can keep, but let's say what happens if we keep it. It is going back to there, which I didn't like it. Okay, now we apply the array modifier again, and here instead of grid, just select the subline, pick subline, and boom! Wow! Now let's apply the count to 150, and you know very well the axial to 180. Boom. Let's come to the top. Okay, 150 are too much for this guy here. Let's make them maybe 100, 110. Okay, maybe 105. Oh my god, sometime, you know. Perfecto. So we have the holders ready, and I'm going to just close the group. Yeah, boom. But we have to move the guy a little bit down. Group, open. This guy on the y-axis, move it slightly down. Alright, now group, close the group, and press F3 to put it on the countertop. Alright. So we have a lot of good things happening. I will get the faucet from Corona Chaos, but I will also put this guy here in the model so you can download that. So but if you want to use Corona Chaos, you simply have to click on this guy and then you have to click on this Open Cosmos browser. If you are not familiar, in 2022 Corona introduces material plus model library, which is very handy and it helps a lot. Believe me, you will find a lot of 3D models, 3D materials in fingertips. So let's go to the bathroom accessories, and here you will find a lot of good stuff. So okay, I cannot see very good model here for the faucet, so I will have to bring it, and I will show you how to bring the materials from outside in the next video. See you there.